Sport brings our communities together. But to keep playing the games we love, protecting our players must evolve. Welcome to a new standard of care for concussion in community sport. Welcome to Charlie. A collision happens and suddenly volunteers are confused and under pressure. Parents of panicked decisions made in these chaotic moments have lifelong consequences. This isn't a failure of people, it is a failure of the system. And we're asking too much of volunteers without giving them the right tools. Enter Charlie, your AI concussion co-pilot built by Safeguarding You. Funded and backed by the Australian Sports Commission, Charlie changes the game. From automated sideline assessments to creating secure, time-stamped records, Charlie brings forensic-level confidence to the local field. Charlie isn't a medical or diagnostic device. He is a decision support tool, guiding volunteers through the CRT6 assessment and triage, points them to qualified experts, and supports the family with aftercare. For sporting bodies, this is about relief and risk transfer. We replace the panic of what do we do with the assurance of we know exactly what to do. It's protection for the board and confidence for the volunteer. We are defining a new category. Safety infrastructure sitting at the intersection of sport tech, health tech, and compliance. Charlie builds a structural moat around your organization where risk avoidance meets genuine care. National guidelines don't live on a rainy sideline. Charlie solves this last-mile problem. He is the bridge connecting high-level policy to real-world practice, translating complex rules into confident action. Concussion is just the beginning. Next, we unlock child safety, first aid, mental health, and broader club governance. We aren't just building an app. We are building the foundation for a safer world of sport.